The customer scan the products. How would you like to pay? Here is your change. Thank you and have a nice... Hello, I can help you get an ice cream. Take an ice cream cone first. Choose a pretty package. Which flavor of ice cream do you like? Pull the lever down and the ice cream will come out. Add pretty decorations and the ice cream is ready. Here is your ice cream. Please enjoy it. This customer... Hello, what would you like to have for Odin? Take out what the customer orders. That's not correct. This is not what the customer wants. Awesome! You found them all! Scoop out the broth and pour it over the Odin. Add seasonings as needed. Awesome! The delicious Odin is ready! Here is your Odin. Please enjoy it. The customer orders drinks. Let's get some drink. Hello, let me get you some drink. Take an empty cup first. Press the button and the tasty drink is ready. Wow, the drink must taste good. Here's your drink. Enjoy! The customer scan the products. How would you like to pay? Enter the corresponding numbers according to the amount on the screen. Insert the card in a POS machine and complete the payment after swiping the card. Thank you, and have a nice... Wow, a gift box! Let's see what's in... Yeah, congratulations! You've won the trophy of Best Service! It's a busy day, and the floor is dirty. Let's mop the floor. Oh no! There are many flyers attached to the door. Scrape the flyers off with a small spade. Spray the door with foam. Last step, wipe the door clean. Dispose the waste on the table in the waste bin. And then clean up the table. I am so happy that we've sold a lot of items. That's great! Here are the coins for my hard work. This profession is so interesting.